When you have a zillion things to do every day, writing a good old-fashioned list is the easiest way to stay organised. And now, there's an even better way to manage the lists you write. Lists is a Microsoft 365 app devoted to creating simple, flexible, and intelligent lists, helping you to stay on top of your busy schedule. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move, you can access your lists anywhere as it has a web and mobile app, and can also be accessed through the Microsoft 365 search engine. Integration with Teams comes as standard. Simply adding a new tab to a Teams channel will give you the ability to select this, embed existing lists, and create new ones. Lists are highly customizable, and you can use handy templates which are designed to suit a wide range of uses. If you'd like to hear about more tools to help you stay efficient, get in touch.